everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to sort Excel by alphabetical order. So I have a sheet in my Excel and it's something like this. So we have name, address, ID, and post. So I want my Excel sheet to be sorted with alphabetical order in the names. So to start, we need to select this whole column. You can just press on this letter above and it will select all of this column. Now you need to go to this area, Data tab, and here in Sort and Filter, you will see this icon called Sort. So when you click on this, you will find a new dialog box. So here you just need to click on Expand this selection and click on Sort. Now you will see several drop-down menus. You just need to select A to Z as it is sorting by alphabetical order. If you want to go reverse, you can always click on this arrow and click on Z to A. Just click on OK and you have sorted your names with alphabetical order. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.